Hello traders, in this video I am going to show you the special indicator that is available on TradingView based on the break and retest strategy. So guys, you guys normally draw these break and the break and retest strategy by following the order blocks, but today I am going to show you that there is one indicator that is available on TradingView and this is doing your homework. So let's move toward the indicator section, and here we need to write. So before I write this indicator, so guys, first of all you need to understand that I am a price action coach. If you are willing to book your 1 hour session with me, and if you are looking to know that why the market is going down, why it's going up, and then why it's come down, this is basically based on the price action. So this, if you want to book your session with me, please find the link of the Telegram channel in the description of this video below. And moreover, subscribers, if you want to join the best broker that I personally like and use, and this is one of the regulated brokers that offers you the best account like Standard, Standard Cent, Raw Spread, Zero, and the Pro account. So please find the links in the description of this video. Okay, now let's move toward the indicator section. Here we need to write break and retest on TradingView. So when you write break and retest on TradingView, then this indicator will come, that is called support resistance with breaks and retest by Juan Getty. Okay, so I again repeat, the name of the author is Juan Getty, and this is the one of the best indicator that comes to enjoy the break and retest. Okay, so first of all let me give you an idea that what the break and the retest means, so and why this comes into the existence. So basically guys, you know that whenever you take the trade, so most of the time it happens that it mostly goes on to the wrong side, that you get instant floating loss on your trade. So why this? Because you are not waiting for the retest. Okay, so there are some powerful traders who are using such type of the powerful trading strategy, and that's why this trading strategy is quite famous. Okay, now let's talk about the that what could be the possible entry rules if you are going to use that indicator. Okay, first of all, as you can see on the screen, that the red color, green color, and the red color, these are basically the price action order blocks. Okay, so guys, this indicator provides us that is the retest happen or not. Okay, for example, first of all, this was our potential order block. You can see it has first plotted us that this is break. Okay, so it is done with a break, and then if the same level get retested, then after one bearish candle you will need to take your entry, take your trade. But before we move ahead, let me give you the best setting for this indicator, because there is a repainting factor as well, so we will change that one as well. So first of all, if you look at here, you have a look back range that is set to 20 by default, so we will change it to 25. Okay, and we will keep this, make sure that the breaks and retest should be on like this. Okay, at next we have repainting factor here, that is on, so we will make it off candle confirmation. We will change this setting and now press OK, and now our settings are completely ready, because now the indicator will not be repainting. Okay, so guys, basically whenever you have a break and the same level is retested again, so this is what professional traders actually use. So you can take your entry after one bearish candle, and you can see the price is down. Again, the price went up and it retested the same level, and again you have taken a sell position after one bearish close of the candle. You can see the price is down. Okay, here we have the it is telling us that break is done, then it retested. You can see that my time frame is not big, it's just a 5-minute time frame. You can see still it has given us a opportunity, right? So let's move ahead towards the other pair so that we can see. Okay, right now the break is happened on this order block, but retested not happened. So we need to take our trade based on the retest. Okay, because the retest is quite important for us. So here we have a break but no retest, so it means that we cannot we go for the trade. Okay, now look at here. Here it was a bullish break and then retesting the same level, and then you can see the price simply flow into the upward direction. That's the beauty. Okay, so we need to filter out the best trades that are according to this indicator. You can see bullish break, retested, you can see price simply moved up. So guys, I hope that you must understand the power of this indicator, because this is quite genius. Okay, look at here, break, retested, down, retested, down. Okay, again retested on the break, retested, it down, and then retest it down, and then retest it down. So guys, this is the beautiful version that is available on TradingView completely for free, and you can enjoy this one by finding the indicator into the indicator section like I have told you in this video, right? Okay, look at gold, break and then retest it. You can see the gold price simply went up. So guys, what do you need else than this? This is the simple and the best indicator that you can use for your profitable trading. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please press the like button, thumbs up for this video, share this video, and guys, if you are willing to book your 1-hour coaching sessions with me, if you want to be expert in forex trading, crypto trading and the stock market, then you can come to me on Telegram. The link is given in the description of this video below. Thank you very much for watching this video.